Hi class! The essay I was assigned was an argumentative essay, and I'm actually really happy about that because argumentative essays are probably one of my favorite essays to write about, so that's great. So, what is an argumentative essay? An argumentative essay is a genre of writing that requires a student to investigate a topic, collect, generate, and evaluate evidence, and establish a position on the topic in a concise manner. There are different ways you can write an argumentative essay, but the most common way is a 5-paragraph essay. That includes that you have a thesis statement, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion paragraph. So what makes an argumentative essay is that you have evidential support, whether that be factual, logical, statistical, or anecdotal. So let's go back to the essay. Right here we have the thesis statement, which is, as college sports continue to be hugely popular and the NCAA brings in large amounts of revenue, people have revived the debate on whether college athletes should get paid. So, the thesis statement is what brings the context to what the person who wrote this is going to be talking about. Since the essay I chose is a lot longer than 5 paragraphs, and it's actually 10 paragraphs, that means there's 8 body paragraphs, so there's a lot of evidence. So I only chose two factual evidences that stuck out to me. So the first one is, in 2018, the NCAA stripped the University of Louisville men's basketball team of its 2013 national championship title because it was discovered coaches were using sex workers to entice recruits to join the team. So this one is going to be factual because it shows dates of when this happened. The next one I chose was over 95% of those profits were redistributed to its members' institutions in the form of scholarships, grants, conferences, support for Division II and Division III teams, and educational programs. This is a statistical fact or statistical evidence because it shows a percentage. Next, we're going to go to our conclusion paragraph. And what I highlighted is, while both sides have good points, it's clear that the negatives of paying college athletes far outweigh the positives. College athletes spend a significant amount of time and energy playing for their school, but are compensated for it by scholarships and perks they receive. So basically, what the person who wrote this essay is talking about is if college athletes should get paid while playing. And it's easy to say that they don't think they should get paid, which is my opinion also. So there's a lot of things to remember while writing an argumentative essay. Firstly, they're right here. Hold on, give me a second. It states, some confusion may occur between writing an argumentative essay and an expository essay. These two genres are similar, but the argumentative essay differs from the expository essay in the amount of pre-writing and research involved. So, while you're writing an expository essay, you have to have a balanced perspective of both sides of the topic. While you're writing an argumentative essay, you have to stick to one side while writing the essay, throughout the whole essay. And writing argumentative essays is tough, so it's commonly assigned as a capstone or final project in first-year writing or advanced composition courses and involves lengthy and detailed research, while expository essays involve less research and are shorter in length. Also, it's really important while writing your argumentative essay to not be really emotional and try to stay on track. The only reason why you shouldn't get emotional is because when you get emotional while writing an argumentative essay, it's super easy to insult the other side. And in my opinion, if I'm reading an argumentative essay that insults the side that I'm coming from, I wouldn't want to read it anymore. And I think that's it. Bye-bye.